English Bliss, your English learning channel.
IELTS Listening, Part 1 Trick. Stop falling for sound-alikes. In the IELTS listening test, especially at Band 8 and above, many students lose points, not because they don't understand the language, but because they're tricked by similar-sounding words. In Part 1, words like bear and bear, right and right, or pair and pair, can appear without warning. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to avoid these traps with high-level strategies, and give you real practice using 3 realistic conversations. Strategies. First, train your ears to the sentence meaning. Homonyms might sound the same, but only one makes logical sense in the sentence context. Number 2. Predict word type, whether it is noun, verb, or others. The word there and there are both correct sounding, but only one fits grammatically. Also, watch for paraphrased clues. Band 8+ often paraphrases the correct word in the audio, making recognition harder. Finally, stay alert for corrections or contrasts. They might use expressions like, "Narc, I thought it was the male manager. Actually no, it was a male clerk," as trick designed to confuse. Practice exercise 1. Hello, I'm following up on a delivery I made last Friday.
Alright, was it mailed or delivered by hand?
It was supposed to go through the mail, but the client said they never received it.
What's the address again?
42 Pear Street. No, sorry, I meant 42 Pear Street. P-A-I-R.
Ah yes, that could explain the confusion.
Also, I addressed it to Mr. John White, but someone called Mr. Wright signed the receipt.
White or right? That's strange. I'll check with the receptionist.
Please do. The male receptionist, I think his name is Sam, or was it the mailroom staff? I'm getting mixed up. Practice exercise 2.
Good afternoon, I'm calling to confirm my booking for July.
Certainly. Is that for the suite with the balcony?
No, I think it was a suite room with a view of the lake.
Ah, I see. You requested something quiet. I assume you meant suite, the luxury one.
Yes, probably that. It was for 4 nights, starting on the 4th of July.
4th of July or the 4th?
Oh sorry, the 4th, the number.
Got it. And will you need help with luggage? We can assign a bellman.
Actually, no need. I prefer to travel light, just one small bag.
Practice exercise 3. So you'll need to attend the writing workshop at 9.
Is that writing or riding workshop? I've heard both mentioned.
Writing, like essays, not horseback.
Of course. Well, by the way, where will it be held?
In the main hall. Or was it the main hall? Sorry, I was kidding. Don't worry, it's definitely main building C.
Okay, and do we need to bring anything?
Just your pens, and a notepad. Oh, and your principal ID card.
You mean the main one or the one signed by the principal?
The one from the principal's office, yes.